Have you ever wished your favorite hobby could earn you real money? It's not just a dream. Anyone with passion and a bit of hustle can make it happen. The world has changed. The old 9-to-5 isn't the only way to financial security anymore. Today, your unique skills can reach a global audience with just a few clicks. You don't need a business degree or a big investment, just something you love and do well. Imagine waking up excited to fulfill an order or teach someone your craft. This is about more than extra cash. It's about purpose and building something that's yours. The journey from hobbyist to earner starts with taking your passion seriously. This guide will break down the process into simple, actionable steps. No jargon, just a clear plan. You don't have to quit your job or risk your savings, just take the first small step. Let's see how your favorite pastime can become your next income stream. Why is a hobby the perfect foundation for a side hustle? 3 reasons: passion, expertise, and low startup costs. When you love what you do, it never feels like work. And that energy attracts customers. You've already spent hours mastering your craft, making you an expert others will pay for. Most hobbies need little extra investment. You already have the tools and skills. You're not starting from scratch or taking big risks. This combination, passion, knowledge, and low cost, gives you a real edge. You're building a business on something you truly enjoy. Burnout is less likely when your work excites you. Setbacks are easier to handle when you believe in what you're doing. Your hobby isn't just a pastime, it's a hidden asset ready to generate income. Let's unlock that superpower. The first step is to identify which hobby has real income potential. List everything you love to do. Don't filter yourself. Ask, which activities create something valuable or solve a problem for others? Check if people are already spending money in that area. Search online marketplaces or forums. Narrow your list to 1 or 2 promising hobbies. Be honest about your skill level and what you can deliver consistently. Choose the hobby you'd still enjoy, even with deadlines. The best side hustle sits at the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, and what people will pay for. Find that sweet spot and you're off to a strong start. Once you've picked your hobby, decide how you'll make money from it. There are 4 main paths. Sell physical products like art, crafts, or baked goods. Offer a service. Use your skills to help others, from design to organizing. Create digital content. Sell ebooks, music, or photos online. Teach or coach. Share your expertise through lessons or courses. Pick the path that fits your hobby and personality. You can even combine a few as you grow. Each path has its own rewards and challenges. Choose the one that excites you most. Now, test your idea in the real world. Don't spend months perfecting. Create a simple minimum viable product (MVP) that delivers value. Show your MVP to real people and ask, would you buy this? Start with your network, but ask for real commitment, not just compliments. Post your offer in relevant online groups or forums. Listen closely to feedback, especially from those who say no. Their objections help you refine your offer. Maybe your price is off or your service needs tweaking. This phase isn't about making a fortune, it's about learning what people really want. Adjust, improve, and get ready for your first real customers. Early feedback is your best friend. Once people are willing to pay, it's time to build your brand. Your story is your biggest asset. Share why you love your craft and what makes you unique. Define your identity. What 3 words describe your work? Let that guide your style and messaging. Set up a simple online home. Instagram, Facebook, or Etsy is enough to start. Be consistent with your visuals and voice. Post high-quality photos or videos that showcase your work. Share behind-the-scenes moments in your creative process. Engage with your audience, ask questions, reply to comments, and build relationships. Your goal isn't just sales, it's building a community of fans and supporters. Loyal customers will spread the word and help your side hustle grow. Your brand is the story people remember. Make it memorable. Real stories prove this works. Sarah, a graphic designer, started selling custom pet portraits on Etsy. Her first sales led to more orders, and now she earns extra income every month from her art. Alex, a gamer, offered coaching sessions for League of Legends. He built a reputation, started a YouTube channel, and now has steady clients and a paid group. Maria, a hiker and photographer, shared her landscape photos on Instagram. Local businesses noticed, and she now sells photo packages for marketing. Each started small, tested their idea, and grew by listening to their audience. They didn't need huge investments, just passion and a willingness to try. Their hobbies now pay for tuition, travel, and more. The path is real and repeatable. Start with what you love, offer value, and let your side hustle evolve. Every success story began with a single step. You could be next. The only thing missing is your action. What's your story going to be? Launching doesn't have to be big, just make your offer public and aim for your first sale. That first transaction is proof your hobby has real value. Be proactive, reach out to interested people, offer a launch discount or a free consultation. Make it easy for someone to say yes. Celebrate every sale, no matter how small. Gather feedback and deliver a great experience. Add a personal touch, ask for reviews and listen to suggestions. Positive reviews build trust, negative feedback helps you improve. Track what's working and what customers want. Adjust your offerings based on real data. Growth comes from listening, learning, and iterating. Every sale is a step toward a thriving side hustle. You've seen the steps: dream, test, brand, launch, and grow. This isn't just for business gurus, it's for anyone with a passion. The only thing separating you from success is taking that first step. Imagine what an extra $100, $500, or $1,000 a month could do for you. Beyond money, it's about pride, freedom, and building something of your own. Don't let fear or doubt stop you. Every expert started as a beginner. The risk is low, and the potential is huge. Take out your phone or a piece of paper, list your hobbies, pick one, and spend an hour researching how others monetize it. Create a simple MVP you could offer for sale next week. The journey starts with a single step. Take it. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So, what are you waiting for? Your hobby isn't just a way to pass time, it could be your ticket to financial freedom and creative independence. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. Pick one step today, launch that Instagram page, offer your first service, or post your first product. Your passion has power. Don't let it sit on the shelf. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe for more money-making ideas, and comment below, "My hobby is, and I'm ready to hustle." Let's turn what you love into something that pays you back. Thanks for watching. Now go create something amazing.